Hello, my name is Sharon Covington, owner of Covington'S Consulting Services, LLC. I provide professional safety and business ownership training and development. Ladies, what's your dream? Are you a mom, a single mom, active duty soldier transitioning out, military veteran, military spouse? Let me help you. My 8-week program actually holds your hand and walk you through being a LLC with your state. You're already a business owner in your everyday, managing your household budget, taking care of emergencies, setting goals, action plans, all that's part of being a business owner. Do you have a hobby that you make a little money off of every now and then? Or a side hustle you're using to make Christmas money for this year? Or an idea that you live, breathe, smell, and feel like you can touch but just don't know how to get it off the ground? Let me help you. Call me at 469-333-6612 for a 15-minute free consultation. I look forward to hearing from you soon.